Hey guys, Czar here. Now, here's what we're going to do. Since there are virtually no opportunities for me, for my style, my model on the indices today, and we've taken a nice 2-hour win on gold, and we're seeing a big turnaround now on gold. I'm going to put you back here for a little bit. Here's what happened. Took a 2-hour win here on gold, exited, about as perfectly as possible. And we joke around that we exit well at Zerillion because we tend to get exits like this on a fairly consistent basis. Not exactly sure why. I would think that 34 years of trading experience comes into play, and it's just like an instinctive type of thing to it, as well as there are structural reasons, obviously, and symmetry and so on, which do play a massive part in what those exits look like. But what I want to do is focus here on gold, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next, given that this momentum has completely failed or turned around. This could be a break and a retest for a further move higher, or it could be a complete and utter reversal, taking us back down lower. I'm going to put you on pause now, wait for this 30-minute candle to close, or the 15-minute to close, and then I'll bring you back, and we'll talk about what we're going to do next here on gold. All right, putting you on pause now. Here we go. Guys, we're back here for a minute. So here's what I'm going to do first of all on this gold is to, bear with me for one moment. I just put you on pause again so I could sneeze. Just this huge sneeze just came up all of a sudden. Might be my cat named Pickles. All right, so we had this resistance that we broke above, took that trade for a 2-hour win. I'm not going to delete this zone because it's no longer relevant. We've broken through it handily. Delete that zone. We're going to clear things up a little bit here. That one can remain. And now, since we're having this shift candle down, I'm going to make this a new, at least for now, temporary resistance zone. We have this wick here that to me does matter because that was a big push down on the open. I'm just going to put a horizontal line there, and I'm going to put you back on pause. I'm going to let this thing close up a little bit, and now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do next. Here we go, on pause. Guys, we're back. I had to step away for a minute, but I just got back just in time. Looking to short gold now. You're watching this closely. This next candle down, short sell stop right here below. Looking for a partial wick fill. Trying to get this piece right here. Make it that piece right there. Ready? Give me 1 minute. Short sell stop limit. Sell stop. Bear with me. Okay, that order's live. It's 15 minutes there. I mean, take a look at the 15-minute candle for a second. Right there. It's just not my stop, obviously. This would be a 1-to-1. Risking 1 to make 1. Risking 1 to make 1. Risking 1 to make 1. Sorry guys, just thinking about a couple of things here. All right, so the impulse wave was obviously an up wave, right? So this was a bullish impulse wave, and now we've had a corrective wave with some force behind it. I'm just trying to determine now if my belief is that this is a break and a retest sort of a function. Or if this is a reversal to move back down again. Bigger picture. Let's work this out with you. We can talk about it. 618 See that 618 retracement up here. Just move down, pardon me. This order is still live. I still may change my mind, but so far I've not. Short is still alive. This is the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. Point of control for today's session is down here. But for the London session, including New York so far, is here. Although the volumes are pretty much evenly distributed, it's a quiet day. All right, still going for this short, guys. I'm going to leave that order there intact. This volume profile is not very meaningful given that there's a very even distribution of volumes. But I do want to take a look at that again from the beginning of the day. Yeah, that's interesting. That's what happens if you include Asia, because Asia had all of this movement down here. Obviously, there was nothing up here to fill the volume spectrum. Watching now for a potential flip. Here we go. And I'm in. Just got triggered in on my own platform. Watching. Target is 1800 basically. No. 99.40. 99.40 break target. Excuse me. Watching. This is a pretty slow time, guys. It's 11 a.m., 11:08. I'm going to put you on pause so you can avoid the sideways grind, and I'll bring you back if anything interesting happens. Here we go. On pause now. Guys, we're back. Pushing down a little bit here. Well, now pulling back, but we'll keep an eye on this together now live. All right, guys, this is VWAP on gold. Okay, VWAP on gold futures. That 2-hour trade that I took was from here up to here. Took profit right here at the top of the VWAP. Didn't even know it was 2 standard deviations, by the way, just by kind of feel and instinct. And now we're doing a move back to VWAP. What I will tell you, I'll bring you back to this. You can see it's moving in this direction now. Is that this level right here, 1780? See that 1780? I'm going to bring you back for a minute. Happens to be VWAP. I didn't know that either, but again, by instinct, it just happened to be. It's just kind of neat when that comes together, and doing this 34 years, you kind of develop a little sense for things, and you often go check things out and go, why do I feel like I need to do this here, exit or entry or whatever it might be, and then look at some other confluences, and it just happens to be, bang on, whatever those things might be. All right, moving in a direction now. Moving stop to above current candle body. Moving stop to break even. Moving stop to break even. Waiting for that final push. Final push. I'm going to close this one out right there. Okay, there it is. So it was 21 pips or 1R. It was a nice 1R trade, guys, 21 pips. Thanks for joining me again. Appreciate you being here with me in spirit, and then of course actually watching the video later, because knowing that you're there with me helps me to be patient and to be disciplined and to manage my impulses. And this was one of the reasons why I started Cerulean last month, the month of October. We're now early December, but is to help me. I am a very disciplined trader, but there are times when I become squirrel-like in knowing that I'm responsible to you and to make sure that I'm teaching you good lessons as the experienced trader, if you will. Really helps me. So I'm in this for myself too, but I appreciate you very, very much and your support and your ongoing endorsement of what we're doing here. Have a great day, guys, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.